Hello, and today I'll be unboxing the Nintendo Entertainment System, or NES, action set. So here it is here, all from 1987. Here's the front, both showing all included in the box: the console, 2 controllers, the Mario Duck Hunt game, the Zapper, in original Nintendo seal of quality. On the top is basically the same. On the sides it advertises the NES Advantage and the NES Max controllers. On the back it shows other features that it includes and a family playing it. And on this side it shows some best-selling games like Zelda 2. What the fuck are you doing? Like Zelda 2, The Adventure of Link, Rad Racer, Super Mario Bros. 2 and Tetris, Donkey Kong Classics, Kung Fu, Excitebike and Tetris. Now, as you can see on the back, this is one of the later models because it says Nintendo 1990. Let's get on to the unboxing here. Just got to open the thing. Take the polystyrene out. This is in quite good condition. The box has got a few rips, but that's fine. Polystyrene is in good condition. So here's the poly. Here's the polystyrene here. Once we take it off, you can see here's all the contents. Here's all the instructions, like the poster, which is a bit ripped, but that's fine. Club Nintendo free membership for magazine. Konami magazine games thing. That includes some of the best sellers like Top Gun and all these games here. The control deck manual here, which is quite good condition, and the Zapper manual here. Here's the main consoles in quite good condition. Here's the NES cartridge that includes, which is the Super Mario Bros. And Duck Hunt 2-in-1 cartridge. Here it is here. Here is a Zapper here. Here it is here. Here are the two controllers. This one still includes the original packing, so that's quite good. Hasn't been opened before. Or quite good condition. Here's the other one still in. Here is the other one that has been used, as you can see here. There's the RF cable with its original tie round still, as you can see there. Here is the TV RF cable, so you can plug in your aerial for your TV and your thing and your Nintendo, so you can change it to suit whenever you want to change it instead of unplugging it. Here is the power adapter in its original bagging. The power brick, there it is here. It's quite mint, this console, as you can see it's still in the original bagging, just been opened at the top. So yeah, that's it in its original bagging. And here is the console itself. You can see here, Nintendo Entertainment System NES version. It's the power button with the red LED and the reset button. Here's the 2 controller ports, the flap to put your cartridges in. Like this. Push it in, slide down, and you can push it. Obviously close it, take it out, you just do it this in reverse. So that's it. Hit on the right hand side, here's the AV ports to get a better quick pitch quality than the RF port here. Here is the RF cable jack and the AC power adapter. Here is where the channel 3/channel 4 switch would be in America, but for some reason in the UK it does not include the switch. On the bottom, nothing much except a few information and this design here and the rubber feet. That is about it in this console on the unboxing. So here's the Zapper, quite good condition as well. So So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a like and see you in the next video.